So I want you to get comfortable, whether you're sitting on a stack of lumber, in your truck, or standing in your site, and contemplate the day ahead, while also appreciating the silence before the hustle and bustle of when the site is in full flow. I want you to close your eyes and visualize a stress-free day ahead. When challenges and issues surface throughout the workday, I want you to be able to reconnect back to this time and utilize it to help you face these challenges confidently. To help, I want you to regulate your breathing. In a moment, I want you to take a slow, deep breath in for the count of 5, and then hold it for 5 seconds, and then breathe out nice and slowly for another 5 seconds. So let's begin. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, and breathe out for 2, 3, 4, 5. And repeat this slow, calm rhythm for as long as you like. Let the weight of your hard work ease with each exhale. I want you to imagine it's early morning at the job site. The air is cool and the sky is just beginning to lighten up the horizon in front of you. And the warm sun is starting to creep over your face, spreading down through your body, all the way down to your toes. Inhale deeply, noticing the scent of fresh cut wood or damp concrete. Exhale, letting any stiffness in your body soften. Focus your attention on trying to soothe any aches or pains you might have, and with every deep inhale and exhale, you start to feel these pains lessen as your muscles relax and untangle. In your mind, I want you to look around the site before the noise begins. Notice the tools resting quietly and the skeleton of the building rising against the horizon. Feel the solid ground beneath your boots, steady and strong. Hear the faint rustle of a breeze moving through the scaffolding. With each breath in, you feel more rooted, more present, like the foundations of the building in front of you. I want to repeat, breathing in for 5, holding for 5, and then breathing out for 5. You're going to take deep cleansing breaths in through your nose. You're then going to hold it comfortably and then slowly let that air out through pursed lips, breathing out all the tension that you've got weighing on your mind and in with your body. So, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to repeat this as often as you need to help you relax. Concentrate on those first rays of sunlight hitting those steel beams or brick walls that you've helped create. Breathe in that warmth. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold that warmth inside you for 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Slow, steady. Don't rush or strain. Just relax and embrace the peacefulness. Cherish this moment of stillness before the hammers swing, and take a chance to connect with the work that you do. Appreciate how the work that you do has a positive impact and how it can help new communities utilize what you build, either for new places to live, socialize, or work. Spend a few moments here, just breathing, grateful for the work you do and how it provides for you, your team, and the life you want to enjoy. Each inhale fills you with calm energy for the day ahead. Each exhale releases anything you don't need to carry. I want you to now get ready for work. So when you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle awareness back to your body. And when it feels right, I want you to open your eyes, feeling refreshed and mindful, ready to meet the day ahead with a relaxed mindset that helps you bat away the stresses and strains of your day ahead, and help you remain calm and relaxed. Enjoy the rest of your day in a nice, calm relaxed mindset.